Hey guys, welcome back in Coding Bangla ID, and in this video I'll show you that how you can simply make the item or the gun's rotation movement and attach after the attaching character. It will be stop the movement. Okay, so basically it's kind of like a effect that when you the weapon is still in ground, it should be rotate like left to right. Okay, so for doing this stuff we need to go in our components, and at the components we need to search that rotation. So you find that rotation movement component, so it's given by Unreal Engine, so just add it and compile and save. Now if you just hit the play, as you can see our gun is now start the rotating in the ground where it is position. But there is a problem. If you attaching the actor or your gun with directly with your body like this, it will be it's continue the rotations. As you can see, it's continue the rotation, it didn't stop. So we need to also say that after the attaching it should be stopped. Oh, my plane is coming. Okay, however for doing this we need to go in our TTP, and you need to go that why you set up the picking option, like why you set the picking data. In my case this is one is this, that weapon pickup data. So at the weapon pickup data I just add a M416 reference, that my gun reference. Okay, this one is my gun reference, that why it's gave the all my gun data at my this variable save, which plug with my third person play character. So now I can use this. For now I want that my projectile should be stop the rotation. So for doing this, just search that stop, and you find that stop movement immediately by rotation movement. But this block will only work when you are under of the BP, original BP, not the another character. So for we need to deactivate this. We can't stop the movement of the rotation of the component, so we need to deactivate. So search that DEC deactive, and just connect it with your keyboard, that when you pick the M416 or your gun, it should be stop the rotations. Okay, that's all. Now we can call it that stop rotation, ROTA rotations. So let's set it the color new. Okay, so now if I hit the play, and as you can see it's still rotation, it's still rotating the gun. Now if I hit the if I pick the gun, as you can see the rotation is deactive, and now I can use the gun. I can simply, yeah, I can do anything. Yeah, I can now use my gun, I can do anything, but my weapon rotation is still off. Okay, it didn't affect if you have the multiple gun in a one world. Like just think that you have multiple gun, it's also do the rotate by this gun also, but which one gun you pick, it's only stop that gun rotation, not the all in your world. Okay, so I just hope you understand. If you have any question, you can comment in my comment box. Thank you so much for watching guys, love you all, and bye bye.